Hello, I'm Batu, and today we're going to be talking about the MYOB APS software's Gantt chart drag and drop capabilities. As you can see here, we have a sample Gantt chart, and in here you can see each of our jobs with their operation. For example, we have operation 13.1 here. Under operation 13.1, we can see the assignment status, job code, total assigned, total amount, assigned total workload, start date with the end date, and we can also see the order delivery date for the specific job. If you want to double click on that specific operation, we can also see the work order for that specific job. As you can see, start with operation 13.1 to operation 13.5 with their flow. Below that, we can see all operations in the work order, again, each with their job number, with their delivery date, and their result category. We can also see the business start and job completion date as well. Now, let's talk about our drag and drop capabilities. Inside the Gantt chart, first, we're going to have to unlock the chart to use the drag and drop. So let's unlock it by clicking on here. After that, we're going to be choosing which job we're going to be drag and drop. So let's go with the specific job called operation 16.4, for example. So I'm going to be moving this specific job manually to time frame that I want. So I'm going to be holding it. As you can see, I can hold it. And I want this job to be between this time frame. So when I drop it, as you can see, it was first job was in here. I moved to here manually. And as you can see, the system will update automatically. And it will also automatically update the Gantt chart as well. This sums up the all overview inside the Gantt chart about the drag and drop capabilities. Thank you.